Choosing a decent roofing contractor isn't as easy as taking out the phone book. They still have those, right? And throwing a dart at a random name. Quality is everything, especially when you're trying to book a commercial roof inspection. You need to know that your roof is in safe, reliable, and proven hands. And according to experts like Apex Restoration and Roofing, you need to look carefully at what contractors can offer before you hire them. As a business owner, it's best to have your roof inspected on a semi-regular basis for routine checks. And this crew can do it.